We're looking at Lesson 4, Distributive Properties Using Negative Numbers, Simplifying Pre-Algebraic Expressions. Now, you'll notice what we have here is just a very simple rule. With two numbers, the rules for multiplying and dividing positive and negative numbers are not only simple, but they're also the same for both operations. When multiplying or dividing two numbers, if the two signs are the same, the result is positive. And if the two signs are different, the result is negative. Let's look and see what we have here for you. If you look carefully, we have 10 problems for you to solve. But don't start those yet. Let's look at the first example so we can see exactly how to do this. Example A. We have 19 times negative 8, negative 12q plus 10. Okay, so what's interesting here is if we multiply 19 times negative 12q, what do we come up with? Negative 228q. And if we multiply 19 times negative 8, what do you come up with? 152. However, you're going to add plus 10 to it, so that's going to reduce it. 152 minus, or plus, negative 152 plus positive 10 is negative 142. Okay, let's look at example B. The reason I chose these is because we're dealing with negative numbers. Let's look at the first one. Negative 3 times 14z. Well, negative 3 times 14z is going to be 42z, as you can see here. Okay, negative 3 times positive 19, however, is going to be negative 57. And you're going to add to it negative 7. Right? So negative 57 plus 7 is negative 64. Hopefully those make sense. Just don't forget the rules for multiplying negative and positive numbers. Okay, if you would, please pause the video, complete the rest of the lessons, then continue playing the video, and we will provide you with the answers. If you would, pause the video now. Thank you. Okay, welcome back. Let's see how well you did. Okay, here's all the answers. Now here's the first one, 120r minus 66. Okay, I can't do this, nor do we have time to do all of them, but you'll notice what we have here is 12 times negative 10r, which is, it's negative 12 times negative 10r, so it's going to end up with a positive 120r, okay? And here we have negative 6 times a positive 5, so 6 times, negative 12 times positive 5 is 60, and you're going to add to it negative 6, so it's going to be negative 66. Okay, looking at number 2, again we have 12s plus 48. Again, same basic idea, right? You've got a positive 30s, right, minus 18s is going to give you 12s, and we have 6 times 8, okay, is 48. Working your way through, we have a negative 28x plus 48. Number 4 is negative 24x plus 66. Remember, these are pretty straightforward. Number 5 is negative 27d and negative 160, okay? And number 6 up here is 195d minus 68. And number 7, we have 176c minus 66. Number 8, we have negative 36r minus 151. And number 9, we have 12n minus 27. Okay, that one's pretty simple. And number 10, we have negative 12p minus 60. Well, I tell you what, just for the heck of it, I'm going to go back and do one of these. So review and hopefully you understand. Let me pick the one I'm going to work on right now. Okay, let's look at number 8. We have 2 plus 9 times negative 17 minus 4r. Okay, Well, we have a positive 9 times a negative number, right? And the answer is going to be negative. So 9 times 17 is 153. However, you'll notice it says the answer is 151 because we add a positive 2 to it. Okay? And we have a positive number 9 times negative 4r. So that number is going to be negative. So 4 times 9 is 36. So we have negative 36r minus 151. Now all the other ones should be pretty similar to that. And hopefully you understand how to do that. Okay? Well, thank you for watching our video.
That's all, folks.